Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexScholars. I hope आप सब लोग का you all had a great start to the week. Now, a lot has not happened in the first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, but a lot is gonna happen in the upcoming days because tonight at 8:30 we have testimony of Mr. Powell, and I think markets are gonna react wildly to that because the markets are expecting some hawkish statements from Mr. Powell regarding the interest rates and how they are going to increase it, or how they are going to plan out dealing with inflation in the coming months. I think by this quarter, in March only, we are gonna get rate increase information, because this is the quarter that will decide a lot of things of how things are gonna take a turn in the near future, at least for this year. So yeah, today is a big day. Tonight a lot of data is gonna come in from Mr. Powell and markets are gonna react. But before that, let's first talk about our trade yesterday in USDJPY, which we took and we made a profit of $750, giving I made 2.5 hours. So last week my risk was $250. This week I have increased it to $300. You know, when you start losing, you have to take a back step, you have to take the back seat, and you have to increase it slowly. So that is what I'm doing right now. I took a $300 risk in this trade. My 1 hour was $300. I took this trade at this OB, which already gave a multiple break of structure, and I was confident enough to take it. But at the same time, I knew that dollar is dumping, so I think I won't be getting a lot of movement, but still I made 1.25 hour, which is around $750. $750, and that is how I ended my trade in USDJPY. If we currently look at USDJPY, yes, since yesterday's movement, nothing much has happened in USDJPY, but I am expecting some bullish movement after Fed's statement, because I really think that dollar is gonna move higher from here. Given why I'm saying this, because if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, this was the supply that was very strong, and dollar started reacting from there, but I did not see any break of structure below these lows. So I am not very confident that dollar is gonna take a pullback till any further below, until 103 levels, 103 or 104 levels. But I am expecting this supply to be taken out by this week or next week, given how the Fed comments on interest rate hikes. Apart from that, we have few more trade ideas. Right now, currently I have placed my orders in gold, because if you take a look at gold, it is beautiful. I missed this trade last week. I gave my analysis and I told that I missed this particular wick, this particular entry, because there was a fucking news at this time, so I couldn't enter at this point. But yeah, I have placed my orders again, and I think this is gonna get filled, since there is no news till 8:30 p.m. and it's very unlikely that gold will not come gold will not move $3 to $4 until next 4 hours. So I think this order might get filled if we are lucky enough. But yeah, this is the trade idea in gold, and the reason being, gold has mitigated this demand once, and I feel that this can give a bigger movement until any kind of data comes in from the Fed. So yeah, gold is something that I'm currently looking in. Again, if you have to trade with the trend, then AUD USD is a beautiful pair to trade with the trend. If you go on the 15 minutes time frame, you can easily see that this is one hell of a OB that I am targeting to trade on. This order block is something that is gonna be very, very important, because this order block is the reason why we got a break of structure in this. This was the break of structure that happened in AUD USD, and this order block was the reason being for that. Now there is some demand. AUD USD is finally approaching its demand after ages, but I think it is gonna pull back before that. And if it pulls back even by 5:30 or 6, you should take this trade. But near around 7 p.m, if it starts pulling back, then it is highly unlikely you shouldn't take this trade, because it can grab liquidity from these particular areas and start dumping again. So I would tell you not to take this trade during the news. But yeah, if it comes back to this OB, you should take this trade. Now, one more trade idea that we have got with us is GBP USD. Although I'm not quite sure about it, but since some of you are quite risk takers, you can take this trade. But as of now, I can tell you one thing: GBP USD looks confusing on both ends. This was the supply that I marked, and I did not take a trade because GBP USD, although was looking weak, but it was in a continuous range, and I did not wanted to short it from here on. And given the fact that EUR USD is also making new higher highs, I did not want to take the chance. But yeah, it reacted quite well, and again it is reacting from this particular area, which can be called an OB, because we got a break of structure from here. So yeah, this can be called an OB as well, since we got a break of structure. But the reason I did not take this trade was on a 1 hour time frame. It's just a wick. It's nothing else. It's just a wick, and I'm not interested with so much head-on supply. I wouldn't like to take GBP USD for a long right now. So my only two trades for today are XAU USD gold. Gold can move easily $20-30 up down in a span of 2 to 3 hours. So I'm very because it's very volatile, so I don't have any problem with gold. But yeah, if I take a look at AUD USD, it looks very assuring to me. So yeah, make sure that both of these trades are in your radar, and we'll see how the data comes out, and I will be back with another video by the in a couple of days, when there is some more data going to come soon. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, please like my video, comment down your queries, share this video with your trading peers. It might help them and it might help you as well. And thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another video.